Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to protect your privacy on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Like you know, with the increasing amount of personal information with the share online, the more important than ever is to safeguard your privacy. See, before I continue, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel to support me and keep to help to keep this channel running. So let's get started. One, the first and the most important step to protect your privacy on social media is to adjust your privacy settings. Yes, that's one of the first and most important. Make sure you are only sharing your personal information with the people you trust. You can also limit the number of people who can see your posts, your photos, and the media, such as the other personal information by adjusting your privacy settings. Another great way to protect your privacy on social media is to use the two-factor authentication. Yes, that's an important privacy on how to protect your social media by using the two-factor authentication, because this adds an extra layer of security to protect your account by requiring a code like a QR code and your code, the number of code in case you have forgot your password, your phone number, if that comes from the SMS or your username, in addition to your regular login credentials. Just like I told you from the previous episode, or how you can on about the two-factor authentication on the social media platforms. If you are still a viewer, you can go to the description and click on the previous video. Then I also added the three videos on how you can use the two or how you can activate the two-factor authentication on Facebook and Instagram. So in case if those hackers know your password and they access it, they can't access it because you added a two-factor authentication to protect all your social media account to prevent from malicious hackers. This will make it harder for hackers to gain access to your account. Another secret way to protect your privacy on social media is you have to be very careful what you share. Yes, be careful what you share on your social media. You have to avoid sharing your personal information such as your home address, your location, your phone number, or other sensitive information. And also be careful what you post anything online, like sharing link or anything that do not look relevant and it is irrelevant or as a spam, because it can be used against you in the future. The fourth way to protect your privacy on social media is to use strong password. Yes, very strong one. Using strong password is required, and it's another important step to protect your privacy on social media. Make sure your passwords are strong, unique, and difficult to guess. Keep your password safe and written it somewhere in your book and your pen. Write it somewhere in your book, whether it is your diary, your rough book, or your notebook, so that you'll not forget it. Because if you use a strong password and you don't know how to log in, you start forgetting it. Like I told you from the previous episode. So avoid using the same password for multiple accounts, and change your password regularly. Finally, the fifth and the way to protect your privacy on the social media is to keep your software up to date. Yes, keeping your software up to date is very important. Make sure you keep your software up to date, because this includes your such as operating system, your web browser, your device, and any other software that you use to access on social media. Keeping your software is up to date is very important, and it ensures that you have the latest security patches and the security patches and updates which can help you protect your privacy. and that's it. So that's the ways to protect your privacy on social media. I hope you have learned. I hope you have watched the video. I hope you understand, and I hope you've learned, and I hope you know how to protect your privacy on social media very well. So make sure you use these tips. It's tips and on your social media and if you and for those of you that you have forgot your password, make sure you watch the two videos how to recover your password, or how to recover, or how to do this, how to how to activate the two-factor authentication on all your social media platforms, both Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and the Facebook. And that's all for today. So if you are new, so if you are so that's it. So there you have it. That's the top tips for protecting your privacy on the social media. By following these tips, you can do it by yourself. By keeping your personal information, your information safe and secure online. You do this to activate the two-factor authentication. In case if you have not activated, make sure you do it before hackers will get access to hack your account, and it will steal all your personal information. Ensure you create a password with the ones as chunks and unique, but don't input without knowing. Use pen and the paper to write your password and your name, your username, your details, your password. This is so it is very important to know your password, because if you log out and you don't know the password, you start forgetting it. So it is better to start activating the two-factor authentication. So you better to screenshot your picture, screenshot your password, your QR code, your recovery code. Yes, I forgot to tell you to tell you. So write it anywhere and save it to your gallery, but don't share yourself to anyone. Don't share it with both your email, your number, your phone number, your password. So if you found this video helpful, please consider yourself to like this video, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and activate the bell notification for more similar content. And if you want to know how you can recover your password, or how to activate the two-factor authentication on the social media like Facebook, Instagram, then I suggest you to watch this next video over here. So catch you up in the next update.